Whoo! Hey guys, if you notice the theme here, I've been kind of changing some things here on how I do this channel. I'm just going to take you with me on my tinkering phase. I think the content for that is going to be a whole lot better than, hey, do this, hey, screw all that shit. We're going to just, have some fun, put it on tape. Hopefully you learn something. I'm going to do some things that hopefully will help you or just find interesting for that matter. But fun fact, we got the second printer going that was in the box that was over there at one time. Now RJ helped me put it together because I'm crippled right now. I can only do certain things. And then I started this print. I'm making two of these. I started this print this morning along with this print. Well, this is what I got on that one. It's supposed to be that one. I come down here and look, the belt broke on me. So we got a new one of those ordered. I'm going to bring you along on another video on me fixing that. But we're going to bring the attention over to this one here. So if you noticed, and it's funny, if you can't tell, I'll point it out. We've mounted the feeds up on top instead of being on the side. Otherwise, I can't fit both of these on this table, right? But this is supposed to go through that eyelet like that one is. See how that one's going? For some stupid reason, I keep forgetting to feed it. This is like the third time I've done this already where I forget to feed it through there. It comes down here, goes through here, and then yada, 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 right? So, I started making a video on actually doing this version. And in this version, it actually sits here. And then this wire here is supposed to find its way all the way over here. What I was finding hard pressed with is that all of this stuff get all screwed up and you gotta take that off and peel the wire to get over here. And by the time I got it over here, it would unplug on me. So go figure. So whenever I got this one put together, we had printed up a couple of these, and what that does is we take that off of here, and then we screw that one on there, and then I got two bolts. If you ever seriously look, I got the two nuts, but where's the head at? I actually had to pull this apart and go through there. Now, the only reason I did that is because I didn't have screws long enough to go all the way through, and instead of waiting 2 days on Amazon, I kind of finagled the thing. However, it works on both. I did the same thing over here. But I highly recommend if not doing it this way. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to come through. Once this gets done, I'll go over this more. I think this is the best solution. This here actually mounts up here, and then the reel is actually sitting down here. So basically what's going to happen is how this is going to work is that mounts up here, and then there's actually the design. You can have it go this way or this way. I'm going to screw up my thing, or this way, or just have it sitting straight down. So basically what's going to happen is when that reel's on there, it's going to be a shorter distance between here and here. And it's going to work out a whole lot better than having that big old long line, even when it's through the outlet, So I'm going to bring you along with that. As soon as that print gets done, we'll get that off of there and then get all this stuff put together and see how it works. I am going to print another one of those for that one, but while I'm waiting for parts for that one over there, we might as well make the video on all these parts, and then I'll put a link down below for all these that you can print. This one's going to take the longest. This one's about 10-hour print. The other two, I think, were like an hour and a half, 2 hours to print both of those. And I just put those two on one table and let them go. So Pretty neat stuff. But once that gets done, I'll come back and we'll put this stuff together and see how it all pans out. Okay, so today we're actually going to do the mod today for the filament on top of the Anycubic machines. I've got a video coming out addressing that if it hasn't come out already. We lost power. It stopped middle print. You can't print, so I can't start it back up. I got to redo the whole damn thing. But that's not what we're here today for. Today we're actually here to put this mod together for that up there. We're going to do the one, and then I'll do the other one, and I'll show you all the cool stuff in a little pan. Okay, so with this mod, we're actually going to start with the roller holder. I don't know what you call it, but I went back and forth between thinking about either I'm going to oh, these are too long. That one's too long. We don't need that one. Go with the short one. Doing the pressed fittings or whatever for the actual screw. There we go. All right, I don't know if you can tell, see this, but we're gonna put this together as I talk. So I got the screw in there. I don't know if we can even see any of this. Maybe, possibly. Hip hip and hooray. So we got no. Get the nut on there like so. Get her started. All right, so got her started, right? Now at this point in time, we got to decide where we want this thing. I think right now we're going to try it like this. We can always adjust it later. So but there should be a hole right there. It might get changed. I am not. All right. Let's get this back on here. All right. So now what we're going to do is go up there. Let's take these two things off. We're going to go ahead and, oh crap. All right, let's get these nuts started here. All right, we got them all started. Let's tighten them all up. If you're worried about this belt here, it doesn't touch at all. So we're going to actually put some filament on the holder, on the roller, on the whatever. And we're going to see how it works. We're going to start a print here. Just to start, we're going to stop it, but I just want to see how it feeds. And I'll bring you along with that. And then we'll go from there. So that's what it's going to look like. From now on, sitting there. Okay, so as slick as that was for it to be vertical, circumference or whatever straight with everything. I realized off camera a small little problem with that. If I were to leave it right here, as you can tell, I moved it back. If I left it right here, it won't make its way all the way up. So I don't print that tall prints. However, there is one that's about 11.5 inches tall that I'm wanting to print, just to print. But so I moved it back. We moved this up. It's out of the way. To be determined how it'll feed once it gets up that way. I guess we'll find out whenever that time comes. But I don't print that tall stuff. I mean, this is probably the tallest thing I've printed so far. But with all that being said, we're just gonna move the reel back in the back here for right now, and it's still gonna seem pretty good. Let me start a print and bring you along. Just a few little things just to see how it goes, and we'll get that together off camera, and we'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, as you can see, you can't see that one right now, but I went ahead and put that configuration on this side. It's a whole lot better than the being down below, way over here and way over here. It gives me more room on the table. This is probably the best mod you could do for the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. I'm not going to print the rest of this, but we got another one going over here. We're going to stop this turd. Anyway, I just wanted to bring you guys along to show you, hey, this is a great setup. I know I mentioned this. Originally, I had these down here and realized that there was an issue with well, clearance, so we had to move them back. But that should be okay. Just keep that in mind when you do it. These screws, you can get a box of these screws. I got these a long time ago on Amazon for about $10. They are M3. So I don't know what else to say. If you guys got any questions for me, just put them down in the comments. I'm going to keep on with these type of videos. I'm kind of getting into this 3D printer thing. I kind of like it, so we're going to continue. But I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.